Better Self presents. In this video, I am revealing the exact step-by-step strategy to build wealth in your 20s, even if you're starting with zero. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this video will show you how to escape the 9-5 trap, build multiple income streams, and create financial freedom before 30. If you're in your 20s and you're broke right now, listen up, because the truth is you're not broke because of lack of money. You're broke because of lack of strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from zero to building real wealth in your 20s step by step. I get it. I was in the same position not too long ago. I was stuck in a dead-end job, living paycheck to paycheck, and constantly stressed about money. But everything changed when I realized that wealth isn't built by working harder, it's built by working smarter. And today, I'm going to break down the 4-step blueprint that helped me start making $10,000 plus per month and escape the broke mindset. Build a high-income skill, your fastest path to money. The number one mistake most people make in their 20s is focusing on making money through a job, instead of building a skill that can pay them for life. If you want to build wealth, you need to learn a high-income skill that allows you to earn 5K, 10K per month or more. The top 3 high-income skills to learn right now. 1. Copywriting, writing persuasive words that sell. 2. Social media marketing. 3. Video editing or content creation. Go to platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and start offering your skill as a service. Once you start making your first $1,000, reinvest that money to level up your skills and scale your income. Master the 3 money rules, what rich people know that the poor don't. Most people think making money is enough, but if you don't know how to manage money, you always stay broke. The wealthy follow 3 simple money rules. 1. Make money, build a high-income skill, or start an online business. 2. Multiply money, invest in assets like stocks, crypto, or real estate. 3. Protect money, stop wasting money on liabilities that keep you broke. Start saving at least 20% of your income and invest it into assets that grow over time, like index funds or ETFs. Create multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. In your 20s, you should focus on building at least 3 streams of income. A high-income skill, freelancing or remote work. A personal brand, YouTube channel, TikTok or Instagram. Passive income, investing in stocks or crypto. Start creating content around your skill or passion. Build a personal brand that allows you to make money through sponsorships, digital products, or coaching. Reinvest your income and build wealth long-term. The biggest difference between the rich and the poor is this: the poor spend money to look rich, the rich invest money to become wealthy. In your 20s, you should be aggressively investing into 1. Stocks, 2. Real estate, 3. Online businesses, 4. Self-education books, courses, mentors. Set up automatic investments in index funds like the S&P 500 and start building long-term wealth. Most people waste their 20s chasing temporary pleasures, while the 1% are quietly building skills and stacking wealth. The question is, which one will you choose? If you're ready to escape the broke mindset and start building wealth in your 20s, drop "I'm ready" in the comments right now and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $10,000 online and start building financial freedom.